Easy Chill English. Sit back, listen, and let English come to you. Hello, everyone. I am Lara.
And I'm Leo.
Leo, are you okay?
Fine, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, fine.
Leo, you just said fine twice in 5 seconds.
I know. I am not fine.
What happened?
Yesterday was a very difficult day. Everything went wrong.
Tell me.
Yesterday morning, I sat down to work. I opened my computer, and my computer stopped.
Everything gone.
Just stopped. Black screen, nothing. I pressed everything. Nothing worked. I waited for 1 hour. Then it started again, but all my work, gone.
All your work?
All of it, gone. And then I made coffee to feel better, and I spilled it on my notes.
On the notes?
On all my notes, every page wet. And then I had an important call, a very important call. I missed it.
You missed it?
I forgot because of the computer, because of the coffee, because of everything. It was a terrible day.
Leo, I am so sorry. That sounds really exhausting.
Exhausting. Yes, that is the word. But Lara, you know what I said every time someone asked me, "How are you, Leo?"
What did you say?
Fine. I'm fine.
Fine?
Fine. Every time. My computer died? Fine. I spilled coffee? Fine. I missed my call? Fine. I was not fine. Not even a little bit fine.
Leo, I do exactly the same thing.
You?
Yes, me too. Last week, I was in a bookshop. I found a book I wanted to read. I started reading it right there, and it was not good. Very boring. Every page slower than the last.
A boring book. That is the worst kind of boring.
And the person next to me, she looked at my book. She said, "Oh, I love that book. How are you finding it?" And before I even thought, good. It's really good.
Even though it was boring?
Even though I nearly fell asleep. It just came out automatically, like a machine. Good. Fine. Okay.
Good. Fine. Okay. Those are the only 3 words I know for how I feel.
Then let's find more. Let's find them together.
Yes, because fine is not enough.
Leo, your computer stopped. Your work was gone. How did that feel? Not fine. Really, how did it feel?
It felt like everything stopped. Like I could not move. Like, what do I do now?
That feeling when everything stops and you don't know what to do, that is overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. O-V-E-R-W-H-E-L-M-E-D. Too much is happening. Your brain cannot handle it all. You feel stuck. And your body feels it too. Your chest feels tight. Your breathing gets fast. Your body says, "Stop. Please stop."
I was overwhelmed. Yes, that is exactly it. That one word says everything.
Yes, one word. So much more than fine.
What about the coffee? When I spilled it, that feeling was different.
How was it different?
It was angry, but not big angry. Small angry at myself. Stupid Leo again.
That feeling, angry at yourself for a small mistake, that is frustrated. Frustrated. F-R-U-S-T-R-A-T-E-D. Something went wrong, and you feel annoyed. Annoyed, A-N-N-O-Y-E-D, means a little angry, usually at yourself or at a situation. When you feel frustrated, your jaw gets tight, you breathe harder, you want to fix something, but you cannot.
I was frustrated. I spilled the coffee, and I was frustrated. Not fine, not bad, frustrated.
And missing the call. Tell me that feeling.
It felt heavy, like something sitting on my chest. I let someone down. I let myself down.
That heavy feeling, when you feel you did something wrong, that is disappointed. Disappointed is disappointed. You expected something good and it did not happen. Or you expected better from yourself and you did not do it. In English, we sometimes say a weight on your chest. Weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, means something heavy. When you are disappointed, it feels like something heavy sitting right here on your chest.
A weight on your chest. Yes, that is exactly it. Something heavy, right here. I was disappointed in myself.
And after the computer, the coffee, the call, how did your whole body feel?
Like I wanted to lie down and not get up for a very long time.
That is exhausted. Exhausted is E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. Completely tired, not just sleepy. Everything feels heavy. Your body, your mind, everything. Your eyes want to close, your legs feel like stone. Even thinking feels hard.
I was exhausted, overwhelmed, frustrated, disappointed, exhausted. And I said, fine.
And you said, fine.
Just fine. Poor word. Fine had to carry everything.
Poor Fine. Fine was working very hard yesterday.
Fine deserves a holiday.
Lara, what about good days? A really good day. How does that feel?
Tell me first, what does a good day feel like for you?
A good day feels light, easy, like everything is going right, like the world is on my side.
That feeling, light and easy, that can be content. Content. C-O-N-T-E-N-T. Quietly happy. Not jumping happy, just peaceful inside. Everything is okay. Really okay. When you feel content, your shoulders are relaxed, your breathing is slow, your body says, yes, this is good.
Content, like after a good meal.
Yes, exactly like after a good meal.
I feel content after pasta.
Always pasta with you. And what about something exciting, something you are waiting for?
Oh, that feeling I know. My heart goes faster. I cannot sit still.
That is eager. Eager. E-A-G-E-R. You really want something to happen. You are ready. You cannot wait. When you feel eager, your body leans forward. Your eyes get bright. You are already moving before you even start.
I am eager to eat pasta.
Always. And when something kind happens, when something beautiful touches you?
That feeling, when my neighbor came to check on me after the black eggs. She walked away, but she cared enough to knock. That feeling.
That is moved. Moved. M-O-V-E-D. Something made your heart feel something. Something beautiful, something kind. When you feel moved, your throat gets a little tight. Your eyes feel warm. Sometimes you do not even have words. You just feel.
Yes, that moved me, even though she walked away.
It counts.
It counts. And Lara, when do you really feel good? Not automatically good, real good.
Last month, I was on a long train journey. I had a book with me, a very long book. I started it 6 months ago, and on that train, I finished it. The last page, the last word. I closed it slowly, and I looked out of the window.
What is that feeling?
That is proud. Proud. P-R-O-U-D. You feel good about something you did, something you worked for. You feel, I did that. When you feel proud, you stand a little taller. Your chest feels open, warm, light, like something inside you is smiling.
Proud. I felt proud when I told my story last time about the black eggs. Even with the mistakes, I finished it.
Yes, Leo, that was proud.
I didn't know the word, but I felt it.
That's exactly what we're doing. Finding the words for feelings you already have.
Finding the words for feelings I already have.
Leo, can we try something?
What?
I will ask you, how are you feeling today? And you answer with a real word, not fine.
Okay, ask me.
Leo, how are you feeling today?
I feel relieved because yesterday was hard and today is better. And a little proud because I learned new words. And content because we are here together.
Leo, you just used 3 feeling words in 3 sentences without stopping.
I did not say fine.
You did not say fine. Not once.
Fine is retired. Fine had a good run, but it is time to rest now, Fine.
Goodbye, fine. You served us well.
You really did. But we have better words now.
Because you feel more than fine. You always feel more than fine.
Always more than fine.
Can we ask you a question today? Right now, how do you really feel? Not good, not fine. The real word. Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
And if you learned a new word today, tell us that too. Which one is your favorite?
Because your feelings deserve real words. Always.
Always.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember,
Small sentences every day.
your brain is listening,
Your brain is learning.
even right now.